How to import data from the web to Excel. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you an easy way to import data directly from the web into Excel with just a few clicks. Let's get started. Instead of manually copying a table, you can simply copy the web page's URL. Open your Excel document, go to the Data tab, click on From Web option and paste the URL into the input field. After clicking OK, a list of elements will appear on the left. Select Table 1 and hit the Load button. In just a few moments, the table will be imported. Awesome! The table has been successfully imported. And you can enhance it with colorful styles to make it stand out. Thank you for watching.